Hi everybody, Greg Rushlow here with Countryside Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about buying a used car. Summertime is a perfect time to start considering the purchase of a new car. But how do you know if it's time for one? Let us here at Countryside Chrysler give you some suggestions. There are two main ways to buy a car, new or used. Each option has plenty of benefits, but making certain that you know which is the best for you is important to us. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of buying a new car, things to consider, and how to make it work. First, what do you want and how much? This is the first question because it often dictates whether you can afford a new car. If you're looking for things like leather seats or high quality, you're going to pay a higher price. Depending on your budget, you might have to make decisions about quality or mileage. Going for a used vehicle that has low mileage but has less features than you want may be the better option. This is especially true if you have a tight budget. Speaking of budgets, do you have to buy at the moment? Think about what your payments would be. If you have to tighten a lot, it might be wiser to wait a few months. Take the money that you would have purchased towards the car and set it aside. A larger down payment makes your monthly payments a lot lower. How to know if it's too much? A good rule of thumb is the 50 rule. Basically, your fixed monthly income should not be more than 50% of your monthly income. So your rent, food, mobile plan, and auto payments should be less than 50% of your take-home pay. This is a good way to figure out how much you can afford. Since most people have to finance their vehicle, another thing to consider is interest rates. While you're trying to offer the best rates, you might qualify for better rates based on your credit. Before coming to the dealership, make certain that you know how much you can afford. Also, when considering the length of the loan, think shorter months. While the average car loan is 69 months, you will wind up paying more for that car's price if you drag the loan payments over a longer amount of time. It's always better to go for shorter terms. Lastly, get to know the vehicle that you're looking at. Do some research to figure out which one is the best. What features does it have? Are there any known problems with the company or vehicle? So now you have an idea of your budget, needs, and where to get your loan if needed. The last thing to do is watch for deals. Set up an alert on your phone or pay attention to deals as they come through. When what you want is available, go in and take it. It doesn't matter if it's new or used, but getting a car shouldn't be something that's going to break the bank. Come on down and see myself, Greg Rushlow, at Countryside Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and the rest of our wonderful staff for any new or used car that you're looking for. Have a fantastic day.